from Jolly.
The Budgies.
This one we saw.
Which one do you want? The green ones are nice.
They're fighting.
I like this one. The little one.
These
How much are they?
Bite.
Some more there. They're not Budgies.
They're chickens.
Canary.
Guinea pig. You want a guinea pig?
I want a guinea pig.
Liza, would you want a budgie or a guinea
That's
pig?
the best one. You should adopt that. A guinea pig.
What, a budgie?
Let's go to the pet. But these ones.
We came to get a budgie.
Wait, why are they all doing the same thing? These are cockatails and they're 45 pounds each.
Do you want one of these instead?
Why don't put their beaks in their neck? I don't like the hair at the top and they got red cheeks. I don't like that.
You want a rabbit?
I want a rabbit. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I just stepped on rabbit poop. I want a rabbit. Oh, please come get a rabbit.
We came to get a budgie.
I want a rabbit. I know, it looks like Cocoa Pops. That's a bad thing.
I used to be in bunny class.
What?
I used to be in bunny class.
Used to be in the bunny
Come
class.
get a rabbit.
No, I made
Oh, I want a rabbit. Oh my goodness, mouse.
they choose that blue.
No, I'll get the green one. Look, this one.
No. That's that.
No, the one up there.
Which one's the one, or the little one?
Yeah, it's one on the wall.
It's this one.
It's the blue one.
Yes.
Yeah, it's more active as well.
I don't want an active one. That means I want the purple one. Oh, come on, please. Purple.
Say goodbye to your friends. Say goodbye.
It's gonna be so lonely.
It's gonna have you.
I want a mouse.
We came for a budgie.
Please come get a mouse.
Liza, we came for a budgie. You're not gonna get a mouse.
No, rabbit.
You want rabbit, she wants mouse.
Rabbit.
You don't want a budgie anymore.
No, rabbit.
Oh, look, it's sad now.
Rabbit.
Rabbits can't put in you.
Yeah, rabbits are. Your mum's gonna go crazy.
Come here.
No, rabbit.
Come here, look.
So if it's been good, you can give it a fruity stick cocktail.
Oh,
We'll get one of them.
Yeah, but this isn't treat.
It is a treat.
Yeah, but it's not a treat. It tastes the same.
And get one of them. The perch. What
Get
else?
some shampoo. Get some
Food. We need food.
we need a bath.
Okay,
Where's the food?
food is up here.
We need to get a bath.
That's not food. They're all treats.
Where's the?
You don't need to buy a expensive bowl. You got millions of them.
It's a bath.
Yeah, but you can have a bath. What's that? Anti-parasite.
Spot on.
I'm gonna open this.
Yeah, but they're gonna need to be.
They need
clean.
food.
They need parasol. They need a mirror.
They already have.
Oh yeah, mirror. Get the mirror.
Yes. Make them.
Good. Good.
No, give me
Let
the
go.
Good.
I'm good.
Show me the mirror.
Oh,
How much is it?
I don't know. I didn't say. We'll ask the person at the till.
Bottom.
Ask the person at the till when we get it. Okay. We'll ask them. Okay. What else do we need? That's.
What else do we need, Liza?
Don't you need disinfectant? Clean spray.
Any disinfectant will do.
So you're gonna use table spray on it. Good. I don't think that's good. But this is good. Oh,
Food.
this is for
Oh, we
the
need a.
plate.
We need one of these as well.
What? This? Oh
No,
yeah.
give me. I want to get it.
Wait. Get that nice. Get blue. Cause it's good.
What,
Alright.
what you got? Show me everything you've got.
I've got two things.
What else do we need? That's it.
Food.
Food. Let's go find food. They don't have it here. They have it in here. I got fruit and honey bell, perch covers,
And I've got a mirror and water and food.
Okay, let's go pick the budgie now.
And then when my friend comes, I can take it out and put it on them. I know how to put budgies on.
You don't even know how to hold the budgie.
She'll learn.
Can we just get one now?
Go on then.
Yeah. Okay, this way. This one at the
Can I
back.
get one?
This one at the back.
No,
This one that you chose before.
Can I get one? Alright, pay for it.
You can get one later.
Wait, look, fully packed. Look.
Which
Fully
one?
packed. You're gonna pay
It's
fully
the
packed.
one at the back. Is the one
Where's
that
your money?
you chose.
Give me
The
that much
small
money.
one at the back.
Where's your
Small green one.
money? You can't
Yeah.
get to it. Can I get one?
Yeah, I'll eat less as well. We'll save money on food.
You need to get premium food. You need to have top quality food.
Get the fat ones. They eat less.
Get the fat one.
No, not the fat one. The skinny one at the back. I don't want the fat one.
Yeah, the little one will be more active.
Be more cute.
Liza, which one do you want? He's saying, buy me.
I want the purple one here. Oh, I want the purple one.
Liza, which one do you want?
I want the biting one.
The biting one.
They all bite, Liza. You have to gain their
That's
trust.
trying to bit my hand off.
Yeah.
Didn't.
My hand.
Oh, remember when it was on?
I'm gonna lick the budgie.
Which one?
I didn't. That little one. Wait, that's like food.
Yeah, that's how they eat food.
So we got the right one.
Only £10.
You want a rabbit, she wants a mouse. What the budgie?
I don't care about budgie. I want a mouse.
I want a rabbit.
Which one?
It's looking at
That one.
Then two.
2! You want 2 rabbits now? You came for a budgie.
Now I'm going for a rabbit.
And she wants a mouse. What do you want a mouse for?
Just look at it. You won't want to. Look at it.
Yeah, when it grows.
Googie.
Okay, just get a dwarf hamster. They don't grow.
There's a googie down there. Look.
Get a dwarf hamster. Dwarf
We
hamster.
came for a budgie.
Look down there. There's a googie.
I don't want that.
Why? Why don't you get a rat?
I
Yeah.
don't want that. I want a dwarf hamster. Look, they don't grow.
Look, it's looking at you.
What?
Saying, buy me!
I'm sorry now.
I love you.
I want that one. I want the smaller version of you.
Hmm?
I want that one.
What?
Please. It's only £10 cheaper. Cheap. Come on. Oh, get a dwarf hamster. That's £10 done.
Where we're gonna put it?
In a dwarf hamster cage.
Yeah, you have to.
I didn't think we were actually going to get one.
It's like you get dropped on the top of the building.
Wait, won't it like slide back the box?
Put him in. Move then.
Doesn't it?
Jollies.
I feel bad for the budgie because when it's in the box, it's like a prison cell. Imagine being locked in a box with only a few
You feel
hours.
sorry for the budgie.
Yeah, won't the box
Hmm?
slide
I'd be
back?
sorry with the bunny.
With the bunny, not the budgie.
I really want a
I want a
mouse.
budgie.
You are a
and
mouse.
I want a mouse. I got £10.
I want a
to buy a
budgie
mouse.
and a rabbit.
Wait, there.
One pet at a time.
Can we go be hamster? Take a new budgie inside the first. Okay. Don't move. I don't like holding the box. Get him.
I don't need to hold him.
Doesn't seem to be moving. It's moving.
It's not moving.